Hi, I'm Hardscape Nate with Rosetta Hardscapes. Welcome to another product information video. Today, we're going to be talking about the Dimensional Flagstone product. So as we go in here to get the packaging off, always remember to try to keep this bag in good shape as we can cover the product back up for anything that we didn't use that day. And as well as the front here, we've got our product label. It's got all of our product information as well as the run date and time. So if our producer needs any of that information, we've saved it for him. Let's get this package off. All right, now that we have the pallet unpackaged, let's dive into the details of our Dimensional Flagstone. Every pallet's gonna weigh 2,350 pounds, and it'll have 8 layers on each pallet. Every layer comes in at 12.25 square feet with multiple sizes on each layer. So we have our 6x12 all the way up to our 24x24 right on this pallet for you. You'll notice if we look at the face of the product, we have a natural clefted texture. Here we have a nice tight joint with a small chamfer that gives you that nice modern look with that bluestone face. This is the perfect product for your backyard patio, walkways, or even in a commercial application like a courtyard. Thank you for joining us today on this product information video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.